Good evening, everyone. My name is Adeniyi Presentation. I am 13 and I have been doing coding for about a year now. And I will show you some of my projects. But before that, I would like to show you my project if I can share my screen. Yes, there we go. So can you see my screen?
Yes, your screen is, yeah, we can see your screen.
Okay, so this was one of the first projects that I created by myself with a little help from Mr. Lawal, of course, and the things that he taught us to do. But he basically told us to go by ourselves and try and see what you can create. So I took that as a challenge and I thought to myself, let me see what I can do. And this was what I was able to create. I'll play it now. But here's some of the text as well. Help me find my cat. However, is stuck in a tree. If you help me find it, I will sincerely appreciate it. However, we must face some obstacles on the way. Be careful and stay safe. Thank you. And this is basically a platformer game in a way. And it's just some of the code I had to do by myself. Some of the code I learned from Mr. Lawal within class, and it was really helpful, to be honest. And it took me a while to get used to it because I used to make mistakes along the way and I'd get frustrated, but I would just tell
Yeah.
myself to be patient, and it eventually I did get it right, and it was quite a nice and fun project to do as well. Let me see if I can open it up properly. Mm, yeah, yeah. So here how it is, if you touch the red, you'll you'll die and you'll have to restart. But if you touch the black here, you'll move on to the next level, and there's multiple levels to it. It's quite fun, to be honest. But onto the next project. My next project that
Let's
we
quickly
did
skip to the next project.
was we went on to Visual Studio Code, and Mr.
Yes.
Laura taught us the bits and bobs of how it works and how everything is created within Visual Studio Code. And the coding, to be honest, it was really complicated. And at first, I was like, how am I supposed to do this? I'm only 13. I don't understand this. This is too much and too high. But over time, like before, Mr. R, he took it easy with us. He showed us all the directions that we needed to take. And bit by bit, I started to understand and actually enjoy doing Visual Studio Code because it
Okay.
seems quite interesting. And this is all the code that it took. And it seems a bit complicated. At first, it will be complicated. But over time, it will get easier and it will make sense to you. And all this code created this
Yes.
luxury motor collection where you can buy cars online, you can buy it, you can sell them, and you can even add more cars onto it to increase the design of it. You can change the design on your style.css here if you wanted to. Like, let's say you didn't like the black or gold, you could change it to red and green if you wanted to. And if I can quickly find an example, if I
Okay.
just searched up any random car, like
Okay.
let's say any different
Um,
type of cars, let's
let's
say
do a
Ford.
Mercedes. Let's say a Ford or a
Ford, for
Mercedes.
example, if I searched up Ford and I went on images and I copied this image and I copied the link of it, clicked on here, copied it here, and if I
Yeah, just Control V. You've copied it already.
this, copy image address, copied it here. If I got the name of it as well, Ford hybrid cars, and if I copied it exactly here, hybrid cars, and then I asked for the price on Google, it would say it's around 60,000. So then I just type the price here. And if I pressed enter, you can see here, it's just appeared here
Wow.
and it will allow you to see how it is on the store.
Well
But
done,
in
Adeniyi.
summary, Kids Codes Worlds and Mr. Lawa and everyone a part of the team has been really helpful in helping me understand the coding world in our life. Because as we know, code is getting bigger and bigger within each year. So Mr. Lawa and Mrs. Lawa and everyone a part of the team helped me understand that it's not as big as you think and you can easily understand it. So for that, I want to say thank you very much.